So you got the shingles all picked up and you feel like doing some...
Little bit of landscaping. You can see how low it is there.
Do you want to do any work back here?
Just kind of even it out. Well, for now, I want to go up front. And the only reason I want to do this now is because it's bare dirt.
Yeah.
I don't want to wait till the grass grows back over it and then try to fuck with it. Otherwise, I'd have left it.
I never noticed your air conditioner had wood grain on it.
Oh yeah, this was probably a nice looking unit back in the day. And up here...
We can rip that out sometime.
Yeah, the old TV.
You know what? Let's rip this out too.
That can go, yeah. I want to get these... There's a root there, there's a couple roots over there.
And we're far enough away from the trees that...
You know what? I don't care if it damages the tree.
Yeah, they kind of suck, but anyway.
And then you can see it just dives down.
Yeah.
Right against there. I may try to take some of this...
Because all the water pools.
Right. I may try to, get this root out and maybe scrape some dirt that way. We'll see. But since it's dirt, and I don't like that root, I'm going to try to see if we can...
Oh. Windy.
Yeah, it's cold and windy today.
This sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Well, you're making a nice big mess there.
Yep. Dig her out.
Never cut dirt with the chainsaw before. It's sticky.
Yeah, you're jumping the gun here.
Try to rip this piece out. You hear what I said?
What?
Try lifting this piece out.
I ain't got enough of it dug yet.
Oh, there we go. Try that. There was some there. That's all it is. Nice. I'm gonna give that a poke and see that.
You might have to cut that one in the middle there. It moves.
There's some stuff.
Yeah. I don't know. You don't want to dig.
You're being so slow.
I'm not in a hurry.
But I got a chainsaw and I want to dig through dirt with it.
Cut that maybe right there.
Okay.
Make 2 smaller pieces out of it. That's a little bigger than you thought.
Oh, it's 3 roots. Yeah, it's a bunch of roots that
Yeah.
follow the surface.
We're getting it though. Oh, wait a minute. No, I got her.
You got it, okay. I think there's probably something going down underneath it.
Well, look at this. It's like...
Yeah, see what's going down. That was one of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And I think you'll have to cut her.
I'm not done with this one. I'm only like 30% through.
You know what I had thought?
What?
I hope there's no like
Electric line?
pipes or fiber optics.
No, they'd be farther down.
You know, it cuts surprisingly well for all the dirt we're cutting.
Yeah, so I'm thinking of making a modified chain that has like bigger scoops on it for cutting clay and dirt.
Yeah, let's see if I can pry that out. And then I think that's enough
Yeah.
for here. We don't need to get everywhere. Fucking.
Oh. See, that's how you break a shovel handle.
Yeah, we're getting her loosened.
Shot a bunch of sparks.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Oh, these are dull.
Okay, we're getting her though.
I'm curious what sparked down there. That shot some pretty good ones.
Yeah.
What are they, sweet gum?
Yeah, I bet you they're coming from those trees.
Yeah. I couldn't recall what they were.
I like having the trees, but these sweet gums are a mess of a tree.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Gonna pop it with a chainsaw?
I could probably just break it with the shovel.
Yeah. Or not.
There we go.
That's cool.
Get all the dirt off of it. I need that dirt.
You need that dirt.
Yeah.
It's a real shame with video that you don't get the depth perception.
Well,
But if I go back and forth, you can kind of see it, you know?
starting to move a little bit though, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
There's another one. It's a bunch of pieces.
Yeah. Well, that's what we're dealing with.
I got her.
So you hitting some rocks or something, there was some smoke. Nice.
That's it. That's all we're gonna do here.
Hey, you want to help me pull this up? I almost got it. So you want to do this one too?
Yep.
Okay.
But let me dig a little bit.
Okay.
I think there's our cut point.
Okay.
that one. Point over here.
I'll sharpen them. Holy shit,
Yeah.
chainsaws were great for digging.
I don't think we could do another route with it if we wanted to, but
I just need to sharpen it. I just need my file.
God, I think gotta have it by now. No. Maybe try this side.
You're not gonna get that one. Hey, Bill, don't even bother with that one, okay? It's like, look at your chainsaw.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we'll call it quits for there until I can sharpen it and figure that out.
Oh, there we go. She's starting to go. Well, look how fucking deep that is. Fuck.
Is there like two of them, or? I think you can go under this side.
Oh, that's all it took.
See, I told you.
That's what was holding us up. That
Yeah, it's
bottom
all
little
that.
piece.
I should have cut all the way through, but oh well.
Look at that son of a bitch.
My first time digging with a chainsaw, so.
That's it. We ain't fussing with no more of that.
Hey, wait. What's that?
Piece of wood.
Oh, okay. Well, I see you've definitely been busy.
Yeah.
And you're digging up a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Pottery and plastic and such.
That dirt pile we got over there, I'm gonna move over here. And then we'll get the metal rake out and smooth it all out. I think that'll be good.
Oh yeah, the pile that I moved from in front of the window.
Back there is as good a spot as any.
Yeah.
We're gonna have
those
more,
plants we keep trying to kill keep growing back.
We're gonna have more dirt when I dig up along there anyway. So
Yeah, for your driveway.
yeah. It's like we're not lacking for dirt.
And we're even thinking about putting maybe in a garage
Yeah.
because we have a lot of wood.
Mhm.
We could probably make one.
Just a single car.
Yeah, concrete floor, nice one.
Right.
Where do you want it?
Oh, how about right there?
Oh, you want it over for
Oh, is there one over there?
Oh, no, Want to bring your hoe over here?
I mean, that's probably good. I'll just spread this around. That's just fine. Alright. That'd be cool. If it rains, that'll be alright, because that water will just kind of compact it. That'll have that plant material we put in there. Take root again.
Yeah, you have a little weird like plant.
That's it. It kind of blends in with the rest of the ground now.
Yeah. You want to call it
There
there?
isn't those big divots back there.
You want to call it there for this?
Yes.
There's a bowling alley across the street. We can go bowling.
We could go bowling.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.
Yep, I like it.
It'll be nice in a few months.
Yeah, when this, you know, the grass will eventually take all back over again.
I should probably get all the glass out of it.